Ever wondered why some homes feel warm and stylish, while others look flat and dull, even with the same furniture? The secret is in the lighting. With the right lighting ideas, you can completely transform your space without breaking the bank. Welcome back. In this video, I'll share creative home lighting ideas that are practical, affordable, and easy to try. Whether you want a cozy living room, a bright kitchen, or a relaxing bedroom, these tips will make your home shine beautifully. Practical suggestions. 1. Layered lighting. Instead of relying on one ceiling light, use 3 layers: ambient, task, and accent. Tool: ceiling light for ambient, desk or floor lamp for task, and wall sconces or LED strips for accent. Quick tip: a simple desk lamp costs about $15 to $20, while a full designer setup could cost hundreds. Layering gives you the same effect for less. 2. Warm bulbs for cozy spaces. Choose warm tone LED bulbs for bedrooms and living rooms. They create a soft, relaxing glow. Tool: LED bulbs with warm color temperature 2700 K300K. Quick tip: a warm LED bulb costs $2 to $5, compared to expensive smart bulbs at $20 each. 3. Under cabinet lights in kitchens. Brighten up your kitchen counters by adding LED strip lights under cabinets. It makes cooking easier and the kitchen more modern. Tool: adhesive LED strip rolls, easy to install without wiring. Quick tip: a roll costs about $10 to $15, while built-in cabinet lights can cost $100 or more. 4. Statement lighting with pendants. Hang pendant lights over dining tables or kitchen islands to create a stylish centerpiece. Tool: pendant light fixtures available in metal, glass, or rattan. Quick tip: a pendant starts from $30, while luxury designer pieces can go over $200. You get the same impact at a fraction of the price. 5. Smart use of fairy lights. Fairy lights aren't just for holidays. Drape them over mirrors, headboards, or shelves for a magical effect. Tool: battery-powered or plug-in fairy lights. Quick tip: a string costs about $5 to $8, compared to buying expensive mood lamps for $40 to $50. With just a few creative lighting ideas, you can turn your home into a warm, stylish, and inviting space without spending a fortune. Remember, lighting isn't just about brightness, it's about creating the right mood. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more smart home improvement ideas.